Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Okay, today is a quiz session. So let's start. When and where did the first revelation of the Quran happen?
The first revelation of the Quran was at the cave of Hira when the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was 40 years old.
What happened at the cave of Hira?
Angel Jibreel alayhi salam brought the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam.
What did Angel Jibreel say to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
He asked the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam to read.
What did the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam reply?
The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, I don't know how to read.
How many times did Angel Jibreel ask the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to read?
3 times.
How many verses were revealed in the first revelation of the Quran?
5 verses of Surah Al-Alaq, chapter number 96, Juz 30.
What is the first verse of Surah Al-Alaq?
Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq. Read with the name of Allah who has created.
What is the second verse of Surah Al-Alaq?
خلق الإنسان من علق. He made man from the clot of blood.
What is the third verse of Surah Al-Alaq?
اقرأ وربك الأكرم. Read, and your Lord is most generous.
What is the fourth verse of Surah Al-Alaq?
الذي علم بالقلم. Who taught man by the pen.
What is the fifth verse of Surah Al-Alaq?
علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم. Taught man what he did not know. A way of life, a way of life, a way of life, a way of life. Islam.